Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm going to give you a complete review of the Olympus E-M1 Mark II camera along with the Olympus m.Zuiko digital ED 714mm f2.8 Pro lens. So let's get into the Olympus world. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. I recently went to a road show which had on display products by Olympus and I came across the Olympus OMD E-M1 Mark II camera with the Olympus m.Zuiko digital ED 714mm f2.8 Pro lens attached to it. So guys, let me share my experience with you all. This camera is 4K and it comes at a price of 2,47,408 rupees with the body only. Oh my god, that's the price of gold. It is expensive and the lens will cost you around 99,100 rupees. I've put the links to these cameras and lenses down below in the description so you can check them out. This is the first time I laid my hands on a mirrorless camera in my life. It was very good. The best part about Olympus gear is that it is waterproof. You can't take it deep underwater, but if you drop some water on it by mistake or if it starts raining, you don't need to worry at all. So memory card goes in. I use the SD card I use with my on camera. You can use your same DSLR SD card guys. And now let's start clicking. Turning it on. Check out the display. I can't rotate the dial as it is locked. I press the middle button to unlock it. Now I can move the dial. Its screen can swivel and rotate all the way around. Now I am on shutter priority mode. When I move this dial, the shutter speed changes. But when I switch to aperture priority, the aperture changes when I use the dial. So what will happen in manual mode? The dial changes the shutter speed. And for the aperture, I must rotate the dial in front. With this button, I can click. Its 3-inch screen is touch enabled. The screen is cool guys. As soon as you place the viewfinder to your eye, the live view of the screen automatically disappears. The camera is very lightweight. The same camera lens combination in a DSLR will be heavier. Check out the info menu. So many controls I can change here. Let's change the white balance. It has a custom white balance setting. So now I'm going to show you a few sample images guys. I have not edited these images at all. They are straight from the camera. Raw files in this camera have the extension .orf. So you can only view them in Lightroom or Photoshop. Now you can't view them in the Windows Explorer file manager. So if you want to view them, you can also do that in the Olympus OM workspace software. I'll leave its link down below guys so you can download it. My camera was set on the Pro Capture mode. In the Pro Capture mode, once I press the shutter release button, I press it once, but 52 images are recorded in camera, 26 before pressing the shutter release button and 26 after. This feature can be very useful for wildlife or bird photography. So let me show you a few sample images. Now I'll show you a few videos I recorded with this camera. All videos are 4K and handshake is automatically eliminated in these videos. Now I will show you a clip I recorded during the roadshow that will help you understand more about Olympus cameras and lenses.
अब अगर MFT से कंपेयर करेंगे मिररलेस में तो 2x का फैक्टर है, बिकॉज ये MFT सेंसर है। फुल फ्रेम का सेंसर बड़ा होता है तो 2x का फैक्टर होता है। बिकॉज आपका 2x का फैक्टर इक्विवेलेंट करेंगे लेंस के साथ तो 50 mm आप कैनन या निकॉन में यूज करते तो इनकी 25 mm की आपकी रिच उतना ही। सो कॉम्पैक्टनेस थोड़ा सा कम आ गया। बॉडी के साथ करेंगे तो आप कैरी कैसे भी कर सकते हैं। आप सुपर ट्रीज इसमें है, ओलंपस में एक है, वाइल्डर में सबसे ज़्यादा आज के डेट में ज़्यादा यूजर्स दिखेंगे। फोटो वॉक में या आप स्ट्रीट फोटोग्राफी में देखेंगे तो सबसे ज़्यादा दिखेंगे। देन लाइट पेंटिंग और एस्ट्रो फोटोग्राफी में सबसे हेल्पफुल यूज़ होने वाला ओलंपस एक ऐसे ही ब्रांड है जो आपको डिस्प्ले पे दिखाता है। 2 सेकंड का लैग होता है जो आप स्टार्स का एस्ट्रो का जो ले रहे यानी मिल्की वे ले रहे हैं या वॉटेवर जो आपको हो रहा है ना वो एक्चुअल स्क्रीन पे दिखता है। बाकी इसमें आपके स्क्रीन सब ऑफ होते हैं बट आपके शटर्स चालू रहते हैं। लॉन्ग एक्सपोजर में फोटोग्राफी करते हैं स्नो लेपर्ड का वगैरह इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा ये यूज करते हैं बिकॉज पावर कंज्यूम भी कम करता है। बाकी के गैस 1 घंटे चलता है तो ये 1.5 पौने 2 घंटा चलेगा। अब ये
और जो लोग स्ट्रीट फोटोग्राफी करते हैं या फिर एनी नॉन वाइल्ड लाइफ जॉनर उनके लिए फिर भी गियर का हेवीनेस ऑफ द गियर इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं क्रिएट करता। बट जो लोग वाइल्ड लाइफ में उनको पता ही है कैरिंग द गियर्स पर्टिकुलरली अगर फ्लाइट में लेके जाना हो तो प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं। विद द ग्रोइंग एज ऑल्सो कैरिंग वेट्स बिकम लिटरली डिफिकल्ट। इनका a combination of E-M1 and the 300 mm lens, which is f4, right?
Yep.
300 f4. It gives you actually a reach of 600 mm with such a small compact this size. So that's I think
हाथ में अगर 600 आप कैरी करेंगे
so this
सोनी का भी so आपको समझेगा
exactly. So he is potentially carrying a 600 mm lens, which is amazing.
So final verdict, will I buy this camera? To be very honest, the controls, buttons, menu systems, user interface in this camera is quite different from what we use in Nikon, Canon cameras. So I found it a little difficult to adjust to the new system. It took me some time to get acquainted to the camera system. Plus it will be very expensive if I buy this camera and switch all my Nikon gears to Olympus. So if you're buying a camera for the first time, maybe you can invest in it. Or else DSLRs also work, guys. It's up to you. Also, if I can see in the future, if I want to pick up professional photography for clients and I have a need for a mirrorless camera, then the doors are always open. It will be an investment, and if I can see the return on the investment while I'm making it, then definitely I'll go for it. So hope that helps you guys. And it's a great camera, very good quality, very good images in RAW, JPEG, all the image qualities are good. 4K video, very good indeed. So guys, this was my honest review of the Olympus OM-D Mark II camera and Olympus 714mm lens, and I hope you guys liked it. In case you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which Olympus camera reviews you want to see next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. There is my previous camera review. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.